Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we're going to do a quick demonstration for you on how to properly put the pedestal on the brand new NU8000 series TV from Samsung. This is the 55-inch version. There are slightly different instructions for each size, so make sure you're paying attention to what size you're trying to put the pedestal on before you follow these instructions specifically. So what we've got here is the actual foot, and then we've got the little back plate that goes onto the back of the television. And the first thing you're going to want to do is really remove, it comes with the screws packaged and taped onto the bottom here, so just untape those, set them off to the side, and these are they're both M4 by 14s, I think. Let me just make sure here. So they're both, yeah, M4 by 14s, so we're good there. And then what you're going to want to do first is take this back plate, and it's got this basically this cable management system on the back here, and you're going to want to take that off first. So you kind of pull it out. There's a couple of notches here for your fingers, if you can see that. You're going to grab onto that and pull it out, and that'll snap off. It does take a little effort to get that off of there because there's several clips holding it in place, but once you've got that off, you're looking at this right here, and then from there you're going to slide these little feet. See these little feet down here at the bottom? Those are going to match up with these little holes down here. So those are just going to slide into place just like that. So you can see, we'll show from a different angle here. So that just kind of slides into place, and that'll hold in place nicely right there, just like that. And then you can set this back down, and you're going to take 4 of those screws and your Phillips head screwdriver and just put those in place. So you can see here there's four little spots. So just as a side note here, you definitely want to use a screwdriver with a longer neck on it. As you can see here, there's kind of a big space that the screwdriver needs to fit through. We tried using this one first. It definitely does not work. So you want to make sure that you're using a screwdriver that has, at least like a 3.5 to 4 inch neck on it here for screwing in to the foot. Okay, so we've got the back plate mounted to the foot here, and you can see it's on there pretty sturdy. It's got those 4 screws in. And next up, we're going to put the back plate onto the back of the TV. There are a couple of cutouts here at the top, and then you have a couple of notches here at the top of the back plate. So those are just going to slide right into place, and then you lower it down, and it should hold it on there for you to be able to screw the screws in easily. And again, you are going to need a screwdriver with a long neck on it, so because these go way down into the back of the TV. And there's 4 of those. I actually opened the package and just put them over into the side here where all the inputs are. That kind of holds them in place, so you don't have to worry about them running away from you. And then the last challenge is just being able to see down into the hole there to put the screw in. And as you drop them in, they actually kind of just fall into place. Okay, so now we've got all 4 screws in there, and then the last step, really, you can leave this off for now because this is your cable management. If you're not going to use the cable management part of it, then put it back on. It'll just snap back into place. We'll show you here. But if you are, you're going to want to do that as your very last step once you have all your cables run through here. But otherwise, that's the pedestal. It's pretty straightforward, nothing to it. Just make sure you have a long screwdriver for that one. Thanks for watching. As always, we appreciate it, and subscribe so you can see all the great videos we've got coming up.